In this video, we will be exploring the recent decision by Disney to suspend Venezuelan workers following a Supreme Court ruling. This has brought attention to the complexities of U.S. immigration policy, particularly focusing on the Temporary Protected Status program. Let's outline what we will cover in today's video. We will start by introducing the Temporary Protected Status, or TPS. We'll then discuss Disney's decision to suspend Venezuelan workers in response to a Supreme Court ruling. The key debates around the temporary versus permanent nature of TPS will follow, along with a discussion on executive power and its implications. Finally, we'll look at how conditions in designated countries are assessed to make TPS decisions. Let's start by understanding what Temporary Protected Status, or TPS, actually is. TPS is a temporary immigration status granted to eligible nationals of designated countries. These are countries facing conditions that prevent the safe return of their citizens. Such conditions could include armed conflict, environmental disaster, or other extraordinary circumstances. It is important to note that TPS is meant to be temporary relief and does not provide permanent residency. Recently, Disney's decision to suspend Venezuelan workers following a Supreme Court ruling has underscored the complexities of U.S. immigration policy. This specific action by Disney shines a light on broader discussions about the Temporary Protected Status program. The suspension raises significant questions about the future of TPS and brings certain implications into focus. Now it's time for a quick quiz. What is the primary intention of the TPS program? Is it to provide permanent residency, offer temporary relief from unsafe conditions, facilitate permanent migration, or none of the above? You may pause the video now to think about the answer. We will discuss the answer in the next section of the video. The correct answer is that the primary intention of the TPS program is to offer temporary relief from unsafe conditions. TPS does not grant permanent residency, and its goal is to provide temporary protection. The core debate around TPS includes several key points. It mainly centers on whether TPS should remain temporary or function as a more permanent solution due to potential misuse from extended temporary designations. Another point of discussion is the executive power involved in the program, as it is subject to change based on presidential decisions. Finally, an assessment of the conditions in the beneficiaries' home countries is vital for the continuation of TPS. To summarize, Disney's recent decision has highlighted the complexities within U.S. immigration policies. TPS is intended to be temporary, but the ongoing debates about its duration and application suggest a need for perhaps a more nuanced approach. The program's reliance on executive decisions means that TPS is particularly vulnerable to political changes, affecting its future and those it benefits. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it insightful and would like to see more content like this, please like, share, and subscribe. Feel free to share your thoughts and insights on this topic in the comments below.